Pretty crazy how much power you got running on this, man. So your amps?
It's not very pretty, but...
Yes, sir. Wow. Okay. So all your lithium's here for y'all. And that's kind of sealed so you don't worry about moisture. Wow.
I had a lithium bank on the side where the third seat was at.
Okay.
I had 2 amps and wasn't a lot of seats.
No, yeah. All of it here is nicer for you to work with.
And it's a lot safer to get you on fire.
Yeah, yeah. Oh yeah, for sure. Does the seat come up? Beautiful, wow. So how big are these ports?
Those are 7 inches.
Custom made, okay. Jared helped make this?
Yeah, he built the whole box.
Okay. Those are really big magnets. Wow. Huge. Oh, these are V2s?
This is SDDNs.
Oh, so there's only one version, okay, yeah. I'm still learning some of the newer stuff, so, yeah. Pretty crazy how much power you got running on this, man.
I wanted to do it where I could make it most impressive without doing a blow through or
Yeah, appreciate it. Yes, sir. You can only do so much.
Yeah.
Like up here, you've even got, is that Vibraplex? It's pretty solid.
Yeah, Vibraplex.
Okay.
It needs another layer.
Yeah. What is the SPL you've done in here? Anything on the meter or on the glass?
I don't know what it does now. I mean, I'm suspecting a 56 plus.
Okay. Yes, sir. Nice. So 56 roughly is, what was your goals out of it?
I wanted to be louder than what I was when I had ZV6s in here.
Okay.
I had a totally different box, so it's like,
yeah.
But I can tell you it's definitely louder than the ZV6s. And the ZV6s I did a 55.8.
Oh, so you're probably going to be 60 plus if you kept going the way it is. It sounds like, maybe, I don't know.
I don't think it's that loud. I mean, maybe if I find my peak and maybe if it was a higher frequency,
yeah,
it would do pretty good on a meter on a burp.
Wow, this is pretty cool. You built this?
Actually, Jared Gibson built the box for me, but
Okay.
I did all the install.
Okay.
It was my design.
Yeah.
My name is John, and I got 3 SDDN 12s on 3 Salt 8Ks.
3 of them, 1 per. What is the ohm on that? That's crazy.
Half an ohm.
Wow, that's a lot of power. Wow. So you have a lot of playroom on it.
Yeah, well, yeah, maybe a little bit. I'm about to put 10Ks in here.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, the teams?
Yeah.
And you can see into the box. That looks good.
Yeah, I mean, dude, I don't even know what this is tuned at. I don't know where I peak at yet.
Okay.
I got to get with Jared so we can try to figure out some more, maybe port design. We might even do bigger ports if I can get them in there.
Let me get a little better angle. Let me get up. Oh, wait. There we go. Wow. Do you know anything about the box? Like the size?
2.6 net per sub.
They seem to play pretty good lows, though.
Yeah, it still plays lows. I mean, I think 24 is the lowest I would want to go.
Yeah. Upper 20s, lower 30s. Like that one was 26 you were playing earlier.
Yeah. Let's see.
See if you got one more song.
If I can find something that would 26. Try 28.
Okay. That was really low, 26 or so. Wow. Then he sneezed. Woo. Woo. That one squeezed you there. Wow, that went up to 40 hertz. Okay. Wow, you got one more for me? Man. All the way? Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Links in the description.